If you have been looking for the best Kajabi bonus bundle, you are in luck because in this video, I'm not only going to announce the super bonus bundle that I just created, but I'm going to explain why I did it. In case you didn't hear, I recently got awarded the Kajabi Superhero Award for my continued commitment to helping the Kajabi community get more results, better results from the platform. Now, of course, I am beyond grateful and appreciative of the Kajabi team and the platform that they have built, which is why I do what I do by creating content and training resources to help other people get great results with the platform. But I realized that my previous bonus bundle was really just duplicating a lot of what Kajabi was already doing for new members. Kajabi already provides unlimited access to Kajabi University, which includes some of the best training from top Kajabi experts on sales and marketing. You already get access to multiple daily webinars, Q&As, live help, and you get one-on-one success calls with the Kajabi team when you join. So for me to add additional courses and books and guides into all of the resources you get from Kajabi made no sense. On top of that, a lot of frustrations and overwhelm that I was seeing in the Kajabi Facebook group from new users was mostly about the fact that it felt like there was so much information that they didn't know how to get started, how to get the best results. So with all of that in mind, I decided to revamp my whole approach to the Kajabi bonus bundle and create what I now am calling a super bonus bundle, what I believe is the best Kajabi bonus bundle ever created, over $3,412 in value and counting as I add more stuff. So what is it? Well, if you want to see the details of the bonus, you can just go to kajabibonus.com or click the link below this video. But in a nutshell, this bonus bundle includes exclusive tools that I use in my own business to improve my sales and marketing effort and to also build out and design my funnels for maximum profit. So I wanted to give you, if that is something that you're interested in, access to this bonus bundle as part of my success package for all new Kajabi users to give you a competitive advantage. It includes some stuff like a complete funnel design and implementation strategy, profit planning, you get exclusive tools for your compliance, your SEO needs, your lead capture generation, you name it. So as I said, I wanted to create a bonus bundle, one, because I saw a true need for it in the community, but two, to really take it up a notch. If I'm going to be representing the superhero community, along with many others, I wanted to do something that took my bonus package to the next level, and I feel like that is it. So, as I said, if you would like to learn more about the free bonus bundle that you get access to if you become a new Kajabi member as part of, my partner link, you can find out more about it at kajabibonus.com or use the link below this video. And if you are already an existing member of Kajabi and you are interested in getting access to this bonus bundle that I have created, there'll be a link on that bonus bundle page at the bottom that you can use to get a hold of me, and we can see if I can get you access to it sooner rather than later. I'll talk to you soon.